So hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my another video. So in this video I will tell that how I created my mobile game, which is Trolls platform. Basically, you know that in previous devlog I created a game known as Trolls platform for PC, and now I'm converting that game into mobile game, and the game is currently building for Android. So I will show you in my mobile, and I will run and I will test every glitches and bug to find out the mistake what I have done. So let's see. So our game has built, so let's copy it to my device. It's A14. Let's copy it here, and I will show you now. I will show you the game in the mobile now. So I will show you now in the mobile. So I will download that game from my downloads folder. So let's install it and see how it runs. It's currently installing and it is installed. Let's see. Okay, that's only the glitch, that player is rotating on the X position. So everything is working fine. Controls and all. Okay, we will fix it. So recently we have got an error of player is rotating. So we will fix it in 2 minutes, because that's only the rotation problem of a player, and a camera viewport problem. Because usually what happens in a mobile games, in PC, it doesn't matter. It matters, but you can do it so easily. But in mobile games it does matter for with the viewport. If your viewport is not correct, then you'll face the problems like I'm facing. So I'm facing all these problems of uh, that problems. Any other problems I'm not facing, like only rotation problem is there. So it can be fixed under a minute. Just go to rigid body and freeze rotation X, and your problem is fixed. So we will test it out to see if the problem is gone or not. So let's see. Yes, now that the problem is gone. So that problem is gone now. So it's easy to complete our game. Final game you can find on itch.io. So you can find the Android link, an Android game link is in the description, so you can download it from there. So let's go to another screen. So I will fix the bugs and issues what is coming, and then I will meet you. So I have fixed the viewport problem, so you can download the game without any problem. So every bugs and everything is fixed now. So what are you waiting? Download the game. And if you like this video, please, not a video, it is a devlog. So if you like this devlog, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Will be the next video. Till bye bye.